Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is the 10th video of this series and 9th step of accounting cycle. You can see that means prepare the financial statement. As you know, we were left our one major document of financial statement, that is cash flow statement. So according to that step, that means this step, today we will learn about how to prepare the cash flow statement in Excel spreadsheet. Okay. So before I start to prepare the cash flow statement, I want to tell you one thing, that actually I have already made the video on this topic. You can check it out. I have mentioned the link of that video in the description box below. And this is our accounting series video. That's why we will prepare it again. Okay. And guys, I want to tell you one more thing, that do you know that what is the cash flow statement? If you know, then it's good. All right. But if you don't know, let me tell you for those guys who don't know. Okay. So the cash flow statement is the statement of cash flow, and it helps to analyze the major three financial activities, includes operating, investing, and financing activities. Okay. Operating activities are related to day-to-day transaction for run the business smoothly, and investing activities are the related to purchase and sales of and assets, whereas financing activities are related to generation or gathering of cash. Okay, so now let's move on to our ledger cash account, and our cash account is in the sheet 6. So I'm going to click here. All right, this is our cash account. We can see. Now let's create a two column in column F and G as the name, nature of activities, and amount respectively. So click here and write the name, nature of activities. Nature of activities. Okay, now press the tab. Similarly, write the name, amount. Okay, now press the tab. All right. Okay. Now click here, and now let's make the column a little bit bigger. All right. Okay. Now let's read these transactions one by one and find their financial activities as per their concept or rules, as I said before. Okay, so click here and read the transaction. So we have the first one is balance BD. That means this is our beginning balance. Okay, so beginning balance is already one section of the cash flow statement. Okay, so their activities will be same, that is beginning cash and cash equivalent balance. So write the name, beginning cash and cash equivalent. Okay, now press the enter key. All right, similarly we have the second one is cash received from share capital. That means we have generated or gathered cash. So this is our financing activities. So write the name, financing activities. So I'm going to write here financing activities. Now press the enter key. All right, similarly we have the third one is purchase office supplies on cash. That means we have used the cash to purchase goods and run the business, which is our day-to-day transaction. So that this is our operating activities. So write the name, operating activities. Okay, now press the enter key. All right, similarly write the transactions activities in the same way for all the remaining transaction. Okay, I'm done. Okay, we can see we have successfully find out the transactions activities. We can see here. Okay, now for amount, so click here and make a formula for this column. So press the equal to sign, write the if function, and let's follow this argument. If this is greater than 0, then what will happen? This one, comma, write the another function of if. So write the if, and now let's follow this argument. If this is greater than 0, then what will happen? Minus this one, otherwise 0. Now press the close parenthesis. Now again press the close parenthesis. Now press the enter key. Alright, now click here and drag from here to here. Alright, okay. Now click here and select from here to here and press Ctrl Shift down arrow. Okay, alright. Now go to the insert tab. So click here and choose pivot table under the table section of insert tab. You can see here. Now click on it. Alright. Now choose existing worksheet. So click here. Alright. And now scroll up and click here. And now click here. Alright. Now click on OK button. Alright. Okay. Now select the nature of activities and description from the list of fields to row labels. Okay, that is here. Okay, so I'm going to select this one and you can see our nature of activities is automatically shown in row label box. So here we need not to modify it. Okay, and now choose descriptions too. So click here. Alright, we can see description is also showing under the row level section. Okay, alright, now we have to select amount too. So click here. Alright, and now click here and drag from here to values box. Okay, and now click on this arrow and click on value field setting and choose sum, and now click on OK. Alright, alright, now click here and rename it. So I'm going to write the name party coolers. Okay, similarly click here and write the name ending cash and cash equivalent balance. Okay, now click here. Alright, now click on this icon. Okay, and now choose nature of activities from the field list. So click here and now choose sort Z to A. Alright, and now similarly click here and choose nature of activities from the field list and uncheck your blank column. Okay, now click on OK. Alright, okay, now click here to select all the column of this ledger account and go to the editing section of the home tab here, that is here, and click on sort and filter. Okay, and now click on filter. Alright, okay, now if you want to hide the pivot table field list, click anywhere within the pivot table and go to the option tab and click on field list. Alright, and now click here and select from here to here and go to the home tab and click on comments tab. Alright, now we can see that our cash flow statement is successfully prepared. We can see our ending cash and cash equivalent balance is 5,68,500. Okay, now we can see here our closing balance too. That means this one and this one is same. That means our cash flow statement is absolutely correct. Now click here and select from here to here and now click on merge and center and write the name cash flow statement. Now press the enter key. Now click here and now let's make the word a little bit bigger. So click here and now press Ctrl B to bold it. Alright, okay, now we can see that our operating activities is in negative, investing activities in negative, but financing activities in positive. By calculating all the activities, we have the ending cash balance is 5,68,000. Okay, we can see our beginning cash and cash equivalent is 0. Okay, so guys, uh, this is the technique to prepare the cash flow statement. Okay, okay, so this is very easy to prepare it. That's all for now. If you like it, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. We will meet you in the next video of this series. Thank you so much. Bye bye.